Welcome to today's update. In this video, we are going to be looking at the fun fact of BTC price chart, because in the past 11 years, BTC has been repeating the same price pattern here in each of its bear market. It happened here back in 2015, which marked the exact bottom of 2015 bear market. We also saw it in 2018 and also marked the bottom of 2018 bear market. If we take a look at 2022, the same pattern was repeated, and also this marked the bottom of the 2022 bear market. If you take a look at the current bear market we are right now, which is this 2026 bear market, the signal is yet again flashing, and if history should repeat, 60k is definitely going to be the exact bottom of this current bear market. Now let's take a look at the current price action I'm talking about, which is the pattern I'm talking about. If you take a look at 2015 here, 2015 bear market, the RSI here hit an oversold level, which gave us this major low we saw back in 2015, and after that it broke above its mid-range, which is the 50% level on the RSI, as you can see, which is this white line right here. It broke above it, and after the broke above the 50% level, we never saw a new low again on the price chart, and this alone marked the exact bottom of the 2015 bear market. And after that, we saw a major rally that took us from $28 to this major level here, which is about 13,000% here on the price chart. Now, if you take a look at 2018, the RSI also hit an oversold level here, which gave us this major low, and after that it broke above its mid-range here, which is the 50% level on the RSI, and we never saw a new low again on the bear market. And this alone printed the exact bottom of the bear market, which gave us the entire bull market we saw back in 2021. This gave us about how many percent from here down to this level? Gave us about 2000% here on the price chart. Now, if we take a look at 2022 also, this price pattern was repeated, and looking at it now, 2022, we also saw a RSI hit an oversold level here, and after that we got these major lows, and after these lows we saw the RSI broke above the midline, which is the 50% level on the RSI, like I said, this white line right here, and we never saw a new low again on the price chart. This was where the RSI broke, and as you can see here, from here we got a major uptrend, which is a major bull market we saw back in 2025. This gives us about a major percent from this level down to this level, which is about 515% to the upside. Now, if you take a look at this current market condition, already we've seen a major oversold level here on the RSI, and right now we're about to cross above the midline. And if the RSI can just cross, I think 60k will definitely going to be the exact bottom of this bear market if history should repeat. So what is your take on this? Are we going to see history repeat at this level, or we are definitely going to see a rejection right now from the RSI that is going to take us back to major low, which is going to drop the price down? Drop your reply and your opinion on the comment section. I will definitely look at it. But in my own opinion, I'm 40% sure that history is definitely going to repeat itself here at this level, and if it does, 60k is definitely going to be the exact bottom of this bear market. Now, a bonus to this video, I made mention of this bearish divergence here on the 4 hours price chart, which has really been playing out in the past 24 hours. As you can see, we are down more than 3% here on the price chart, down to this level. Yeah, more than 4% exactly on the price chart, and we're having a major level of support right here, which we are currently holding above right now, sitting at the 79k level. If we break below the 79k level here, which is this level here, then the price might be coming down to test this next low here that's currently sitting at the 75k here on the 4 hours price chart. So this is my current update on the entire crypto market today. Like I said, if you find this video very useful, smash up the like button, and if you want to continue to watch this kind of content every day on this channel, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make a specific video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.